To get started with brainstorming your design for your printmaking project, you'll take this worksheet and write your name and your hour, second or third hour, and you will need to draw two designs. Option 1 needs to be either organic or geometric, so choose either free-flowing curvy lines or all straight edges and sharp angles. Option 2 needs to have both organic and geometric shapes. So you'll be drawing two options, and when you're drawing your design, make sure you always start in corner A. And what I want you to do is mark, it should be around 4 inches. I like to mark every ½ inch as a reference point, because in order for your design to line up, you need to make sure you start from corner A. So I'm going to take the 1 and mark every inch, every ½ inch. As you're drawing your design, I'm going to do organic shapes. It's also helpful to draw a line diagonally from corner A to corner B. That's a good guideline as well. As you're drawing your organic shapes, I'm going to choose organic, or you can do geometric. I'm just going to draw shapes starting from my corner. I'm going to do some curves. This might look like a flower, and I'm actually going to split this in half to do a thicker edge. And you have to color in your shapes so you have an even mixture of dark and light shapes. So I'm going to color this in. You don't have to color it in super solidly, just so you can see your design. And you can erase your grid line as you're working. Now, any big white space you need to fill in. So I'm just going to experiment with filling in with different shapes, getting kind of a flower pattern. And I'm going to just do circles. Circles can be organic or geometric. You need to have shapes that touch the bottom of the squares and the sides of the square, but you can also just have shapes in between that don't touch. Color those in. And work your way from the corner, coming up with interesting organic shapes or geometric shapes. I want it to look sort of symmetrical. So I'm going to curve like this, and you can color those in. That is the first step, is coming up with a design that has a variety of dark shapes that you color in, and then white space or negative space in between the shapes. That is important for the steps when we carve our linoleum.